So in this video, we will see how to perform update and delete operation on set. So this is my set S. This is A, comma C, comma 1, comma 5, comma D. This is my set. It is also collection of, it is heterogeneous data structure as well, like list. So first we will see how to update a set, means how to add some element in set. So if I want to, we can do this add method and also update method as well as we did in dictionary. So first using add method, so my set is s, then dot add what I want to add. If I want to add rip, so it will add rip in set. Now check set, now rip has been added. So it will add in last. No, because there is no last, there is no start, there is no last, there is no middle. So it is not adding in last. It is but just storing a value, and when we access, it will randomly pick and take you give it to us. So it is not last actually, because it is not ordered collection of data. It is unordered collection of data. So this is done by add method. So let's say, can I add a value which is already exist, like a1 is already exist. So it will also add one again. So let's see. No, it will not, because it is unique collection of data. So it is not adding. So using update method now. Using update method, how to update the data, update a set. So as start update, now pass a iterable, I am passing RIP. So what S, now you can see it has added I, then P, then R. We can also pass iterable like list one how 8 comma 88 comma 88. So now as it's this, these are added. So this is how we update the set. Now can we delete an element from set? Yes, we can delete an element from set using uh, so first what we want delete. So how we can delete? We can delete using uh, pop method, and we can delete using remove method as well. And if we want to delete a element at an index, then we can use del statement. But del statement is for deleting index element at present at an index, but it is not supporting index. So del statement is not available for set. So let's see how we use pop and remove method to delete the data. So s was like this. So s dot pop, so it is returning one. So so you can see, when we apply pop method, is it deleting first element of this set? No, it is not deleting first element, it is randomly deleting the randomly deleting element. It There will be possibility that it can delete a C as well. We are not sure what element it will delete using pop method. So it is a random process. It is like this that in box these are the element, and we say take one element out of this box, so it will randomly pick a element. We don't know what the element this is. So this is the pop method in C because it is an unordered collection of data. You have to remember when you see set, then first do not think that it is unique collection data. First thing, this is unordered collection of data. So that's why pop method doesn't, it is not quite good to use pop method to delete element in set. So there is one more method using remove. So how to do it? It remove method s dot remove what we want to remove. Just pass the value. I want to remove this. Now it removed 888. Now check. First it was here where it was 888. You can see here it is 888. Now 888 is disappeared. So that's how we delete the element from set. And above we check how to update or how to add the element in set. So this is enough for this video. In next video we will cover intersection, union and difference between set. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel.